pra isso?
Eu não sei.
É melhor viver como doce livre do que viver com...
Isso vai doer.
Blow up! Blow up!
Luiz!
Amora!
Luiz! Você tem que pular!
Não! Vão! Se salvem vocês!
A gente não vai embora sem você!
Ai, que bom!
Pula!
Hey, Pig,
What?
where'd you get that apple?
This apple? Oh, well, it originally was attached to this.
Otis?
Okay,
What happened? You know, it's times like this where I really like to say, oh, God. You didn't do that!
Well, back on the farm where I was born, in the barnyard where I was grown, down in the country, out in the sticks, jumping in the mud, how I get my kicks. I'm in the mud, with me.
Okay! This is bad enough! Please, no one scream tree!
Down on the farm when the sun gets hot, do the best we can with what we got. When the storm comes, rain's gonna fall, swimming in the flood, sun, having a ball. I'm in the mud, with me. I'm in the mud, hang up!
Otis?
That's in me.
Whoa, hang on now, boys! Yeah! Hang up!
Otis, are we supposed to not yell rock?
Ei, levei 3 anos pra desenhar isso. Eu terminei isso hoje de manhã.
I wish there...
Ah!